Ever wonder what it takes to care for a horse every day? Let's walk through a typical day in the life of horse care. We start early, usually around sunrise. First up, feeding. Horses get their morning grain and hay, plus fresh, clean water. While they eat, we do a quick wellness check, making sure everyone looks bright, alert, and injury-free. Next, it's stall cleaning. We remove manure and wet spots, then rebed with clean shavings. Once stalls are clean, it's turnout time. Horses need daily exercise and fresh air. We check the pasture and fence line before letting them out. Everyone's horse care schedule will vary, but during the day, horses might get groomed, ridden, or seen by the farrier or veterinarian. Afternoon chores include topping off water, refilling hay nets, cleaning buckets, and preparing evening grain. Always pick out your horse's hooves and check body condition as you go. As the sun sets, it's time to bring the horses in, feed dinner, and do one last check to make sure everyone's safe and comfortable for the night. Other daily horse chores might include picking manure from paddocks, sweeping barn aisles, and putting blankets and fly gear on and off. Your routine will also depend on whether your horses live outside 24/7 or spend time in a stall. What works best for you depends on your property, herd, and lifestyle.